Pecan Acres, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hunt County in north central Texas, southeastern Denton County in north central Texas, Collins County in north central Texas, southeastern Grayson County in north central Texas, Fannin County in north central Texas, until 9:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:52 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from the Hawaii Trough, moving at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plano, McKinney, Carrollton, Frisco, Richardson, Louisville, Alice, Wiley, Coppell, The Colony, Greenville, Sandsea, Bonham, Commerce, Murphy, Prosper, Roy City, Anna, Fairview, and Princeton. Stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms.